guys. He's coming, he's coming. God damn! You want me to wait an hour?
Yeah. Don't. A big ass cat, dude.
Yeah, dude. The biggest one I fought in a while, dude.
He had solo contest, dude.
Huh?
He had solo contest.
I know. I know, bitch. Oh, shit.
Let him take it away, let him take it away, let him take it. Oh shit, this is going on YouTube.
My mom. Fucking shit.
Pick him up.
It's out, it's out. It's out.
Pick him up, dude.
Yeah, I'm tired as fuck, dude. He's back in the tunnel.
Can I really let shit, dude? Should we say your name and who you are and how many pound test you're using?
Jesus, 8 pound mono.
Let him take it, let him take it, let him take it, let him take it.
That's like a
Pointing, you can see where he's pointing up, dude. Is it heavy, dude?
yeah. No, it's not. It's heavy. It's just the line is so weak that he's gotta be careful with. He's telling us the forearm's killing me, dude.
Yeah, he's a big motherfucker. His forearm's killing you, imagine, dude?
Oh man.
Don't let go of that fucking rod, dude.
I'm scared.
Corner shit, this is going on YouTube, eh?
Yeah, that's the drag I have to hold it on, dude.
Let him take it, sorry, let him take it away. So let him get stuck, dude. There's a lot of shit down there.
Gentle, gentle.
The sucking my fucking shit has no more memory. Maybe able to finish it.
Ah, shit.
He stuck?
Yeah.
Ah. He stuck?
Alright. He's right there. Look, it's coming up. It's coming up. Yeah, it's coming up. Get ready, fat boy.
Okay, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Ready, go, ready, go, ready, go.
It's right there, he's right there.
No.
Don't let him get twisted, dog. Don't let him get twisted. Dude, this fucker's huge, fool. Look at that shit, look at that shit bendy.
He's tired, man.
He's tired, it's alright, fool. Tired of that fucking bigger. Dude, this shit snaps too when you bring him up, dude. I'm gonna be pissed, dude.
You better get that camera down. And... Oh, he's right here, he's right here.
It's right here, right there.
Oh, you saw him?
No, I saw the water come up, I didn't see him. Let him take it, it's alright, dude. It's alright, it's alright. Let him take it. Oh shit, it's coming on. It's turning that way, it's taking, dude. Oh shit, I just saw it.
I saw it too.
I saw it, the big old flathead.
Yeah.
Pick it up again.
Saw it too.
There you go, there you go. He's going towards the bushes.
Oh shit. Get the fucking net. Put the camera.
Hold up.
Here,
Hold up.
Give me the camera. Hold up. Look at the fucking thing's huge, dude. Here, I'm just gonna pull him up. Wait.
Pick him up.
Wait for him, wait for him.
Fucking shit, it's a huge ass flathead. Camera on this, dude.
I'm trying to, but I gotta reel this shit in before it gets farther.
Hey, give me the camera. Let's go away.
He's tired, dude.
Let's go. Bring him up, dude. Bring him up again.
I'm trying to bring him up in a good spot.
You keep this bitch?
should have been in there.
Told you, bitch. Hold up, dude. Fucking shit.
I wish I could even pass underneath her.
Go.
Underpass, dude.
Bring him. Oh, I should bring him up. I can't get him, dude, if you don't bring him up.
Try not to.
Right there, bring him up right there. Okay, scoop him up. Oh, turn him the other way, dude. Holy shit, dude, that's a big ass fucking. You gotta tire him out. Give him some fucking. Yeah. Dude, I don't want to snap it, dude. Right there, that's good, dude.
I can't let him rest though. You gotta keep bringing him up.
Dude, he's going that way, yeah.
Keep bringing him up.
Oh, fuck it. Wait. Oh, dude, oh.
Give him back.
Hold on. No, you do not fucking. Look. Holy shit, right here, come on, baby. I got it.
Okay, I'm going up. Don't you see that red coming up? Alright. Hold on, let's go for it. Don't you see that red coming up? That little red dot? You're gonna be right underneath it, right there.
No, I didn't get it.
You hit the head first.
Yeah, that's why I need the head. Can you come up again?
Right there. He's fucking heavy, huh? Wait up.
Watch out the camera.
Ay, güey! With the fat man's help. 15-pounder at least.
Here, pull that shit out, fool. Pull that shit out, dog.
Pull that shit.
Pull that shit. Just go on YouTube, way.
Further.
No, pick it up with your hands, way.
No, let's go further over here. I want to fucking drop this bitch.
Holy shit, the big ass flat head.
Look at that baby.
That shit.
Look at that shit. Oh,
No.
Paso fishing.
Alright, now I'm fine.
Holy fuck, dude.
Hold on, pick it up like the gills and shit. Don't let it get dirty, way. Fucking shit.
She got tote.
You ate the whole thing, dude.
Where's the hook?
Right there.
Right at the end, dude.
Turn him around. Look at that shit.
Look at that. 20-pounder at least.
Alright.